welcome back to my video and welcome to treat week. I'm so excited. Basically every day this week, Monday through Friday, I'm uploading a different healthy holiday treat. They're all super delicious, easy to make, and great for the festive time. And it's also special because this week, well, actually until Christmas, I am doing a huge giveaway to thank you guys for your support on my channel this year, for your comments, for all that kind of stuff. So it's just my way of saying thank you. I'm also going to be doing a load of giveaways on my Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on there. It's just at keepupwithliv. I'm going to be doing giveaways on my stories. Some of them will be posts, and there's going to be multiple winners over there and giveaways going on almost every day starting at the end of this week until the holiday season, where you guys can win some great stuff. I did do a poll about what you guys want to win on my community tab, and a lot of things you said are going to be given away on there. So like 4 Sigmatic coffee, collagen, a lot of the stuff that you guys see me use in my videos, I will be giving away on there. And so for the giveaway for this video, I'm going to skip to the end and put all the rules on what you're going to win at the end of this video, so we can go ahead and get into the recipe first. So to start off our cinnamon rolls or cinnamon buns, I am making it with this Paleo flour from Bob's Red Mill. You can also use almond flour, but I really like this blend from Bob's Red Mill. You can get it on Amazon. And then I'm using some coconut sugar, which is a better sugar to use than a white sugar because it's less refined. It's also lower on the glycemic index, so it's not going to spike your blood sugar quite as much. So we're putting in half a cup, but keep in mind we do make about 10 cinnamon rolls, so when you divide that by 10, it's not so much. Then I'm going to be adding in some baking powder, which is going to help these kind of fluff up a little bit. Now, because they're paleo, they're not going to rise too much because they are yeast free. Yeast can be really aggravating to your gut, so I'm leaving it out. For the wet, I'm using some coconut oil, a great healthy fat that's going to help to nourish your digestive lining, as well as some eggs. I haven't tried this with a flax egg, but if you do and it works, let me know. Then I'm adding in some almond milk. You can do cashew milk, whatever kind of plant-based milk that you like, and whisk that together until it's smooth. Then we're going to be adding in our liquid to our dry. So go ahead and just pour that into the top, and then you're just going to fold it all together until you get a nice thick and combined dough. So it's going to be a little bit sticky, but it shouldn't stick. Also going to add in some cinnamon for some flavor because of course they're cinnamon buns. So just keep mixing it until you get a nice dough where it's kind of not sticking to the sides so much and you can handle it without it sticking to your hand completely. That's kind of how you know. Then I'm using some parchment paper with some almond flour just dusted on the top so that we can roll it out. And this is the best way to use the paleo dough, is between 2 sheets of parchment paper and to roll it out. It's going to make it the easiest. It's even better than using saran, so I would highly recommend either parchment paper or wax paper. So then all you have to do is roll it out. If you don't have a rolling pin, truth be told, I've used like a giant glass water bottle or a wine bottle, whatever you have at home, to roll something out. So you're going to want it about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch thick. Then all you have to do is peel the other layer of the parchment paper off, and we're going to sprinkle the inside with a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is great for blood sugar. It's so festive this time of year. And cinnamon buns, honestly, I'm going to tell you guys a little story, is what I have Christmas morning. Since I was little, we always have cinnamon buns or cinnamon rolls in the morning before we open presents. It's kind of like a tradition. So I definitely wanted to share you guys a recipe that you can make that's still tasty and delicious. So now you're going to roll it off the bottom layer of the parchment paper. You might need a knife because keep in mind, guys, these are paleo. So we're not using any gums in here, which sometimes you use in gluten-free baking, but gums can be irritating to the gut as well. So I wanted to keep these really clean so that if you are autoimmune paleo or anything like that, you can still enjoy them. So you just peel it off. I'm using a knife to help me, but honestly, it comes off a lot easier than it looks. When I got to the middle, I didn't even need a knife. I kind of just gently rolled it and it would roll onto itself, peeling the underneath of the paper kind of back a bit and rolling it back onto itself. So just do this until you get it all rolled up completely. And then, of course, we need to slice it. So I'm slicing it about 1 inch, 1.5 inches thick. And then you're going to want to get a greased pan. I'm using a round one, but you can use a square one too. Just one that's shallow enough to kind of house all of the cinnamon rolls. So I'm putting them quite snug up against each other as opposed to putting them separate on a baking sheet. I find that when you cook them together, it really keeps the moisture really inside them. And that way they stay moist when they bake and they're going to taste delicious after.
afterwards. So as you can see, they stay together pretty well when you're lifting them up and putting them in the pan, which is really good. So just fill your pan with all of the buns. And then we're going to be baking it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes or until it's golden brown on the top. And then while those are baking, I am also going to make a glaze for these. So this glaze is super simple. It's literally just one ingredient, but it's my favorite glaze for cinnamon buns. And that is the use of coconut butter. So coconut butter is really good to use because it kind of feels like a frosting, but it doesn't really have too much of a coconutty taste in my opinion. It's almost more neutral. And because it's more like a frosting as opposed to a coconut oil, it works really well. If you don't have coconut butter or can't find it, you can definitely just blend coconut flakes until you get a butter. So if you can't find it, just blend coconut flakes and drizzle it on top. And then all you have to do is enjoy your delicious cinnamon buns. And as you guys can see, this makes quite a lot of cinnamon buns. So you can make this even for bringing to a friend's house or for your family over the holidays. And it's so delicious. You can even keep some extra coconut butter on the side. I like to drizzle a little extra on mine, but they're so moist and so delicious. You guys are going to love them.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. And now it is time for the exciting giveaway. So the big part of the giveaway is going to be a new Ninja Master Prep. I haven't ordered it yet because I'm going to ship it right to your house. It's kind of just easier for me than shipping it to me and then shipping it to you. But you're going to use the one that I use in all my videos. I love it so much. It's part blender, part food processor, and great for healthy recipes. You're also going to win some Star Wars spatulas because Star Wars spatulas are very iconic to my channel. A lot of you guys know that and actually requested for me to give these away too. So that's going to be part of it. You're also going to win some silicone baking sheets, basically a lot of my kitchen essentials as you can see. Some stasher bags, so you guys can use these for marinating, for on the go, everything like that. And also some glass straws that I don't have with me here, but you're gonna win kind of part of that too. So it's kind of like a mini kitchen essentials giveaway. And all you have to do to enter is just to comment down below something related to this video, your favorite healthy holiday treat or anything related to the holidays, and come back every day and enter, because you can enter on all the videos for treat week, and then it will end December 24th at midnight, and I'll pick a winner after Christmas and send it to you. So you can come back every day on each video. It's a new chance to enter. You just go ahead and comment on there, and also there's a bonus entry if you follow on Instagram, but you definitely should because I'm having giveaways on there too. So go ahead and follow on there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. I'm so excited for treat week. I'm gonna leave my healthy recipes playlist down below with all my healthy holiday recipes so you guys can watch them all in one go. And yeah, come back and enter as many times as you like. Each comment is a separate entry. So the more you comment, the more entries. Simple. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.